Disclaimer, everything you're about to watch in this video was 100% useless, as the engine and trans ended up not fitting into the Ford F250 thanks to my partner's great preparation and extensive research.
Nice.
Nevertheless, enjoy the video.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we're going to be continuing working on this van. We thought we were finished with it, like parts wise, but since we have the engine, and it's a good engine, somewhat low mileage compared to the other one.
Really low.
Yeah.
I've seen many go up to 500,000+ miles on these trucks. So at this point, it's 84,000 miles. Might as well swap it in, and that truck's gonna be for life, pretty much.
We might have done a little bit, double.
Not really though.
Maybe like a little bit more work than it should have been, because we could have just dropped the whole engine and the transmission together. But I mean, it is what it is. So maybe it was a good thing because we actually saw that the transmission was somewhat okay in okay condition. That gave us like a green light.
Once we much work left. Also.
Yeah. So we just have to unbolt some bolts and drop the engine down, and hopefully next time we're over we can go ahead and fit it into your truck.
Yeah,
because on your truck you've pretty much almost single
transmission's out.
Yeah, the transmission's basically out, just a couple
one bolt left and
yeah
plugs. That's it.
So there's that. So yeah, we're still gonna be working on this as a side project for now while we're waiting for that parts car, because why not, and let's just go ahead and get to work. Hopefully get this thing knocked out today. Yeah. You guys probably seen the time lapse. We stopped it right here because, well, we ran out of diesel, so we weren't able. We were just about to start lifting it, and then next thing you know, it just stalls. No diesel. We just needed one more pint, and we would have got that sucker right out. I mean, look at it. It's like chained up and everything. Look at this. It's like
we already have the backup on a jack.
Yeah.
And that's what we're gonna do is lift up this front here and just pull it out.
Yeah. Just very unfortunate. But hopefully, because we gotta go, it's kind of getting late. But hopefully you could do it maybe either tomorrow, or we could come over again on Thursday.
I'll have it out probably tomorrow. Maybe one time I get home from work.
So yeah, you can I guess get the clip of that. We'll chuck it in the next video. That's gonna be pretty much a wrap for today. Just very unfortunate, but yeah, it's getting kind of late. As always, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, leave a like down below and
Comment down below, whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. It can even be hate. We like hate comments, right? You can have some fun out of hate comments. I don't care.
throw it down in the comments down below. We'll reread every single comment. And yeah, so catch you guys in the next one. Take care and goodbye.